Hello my royal family, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor. In today's video I am going to be showing you a Glam late winter early spring kitchen tour. If that's not interesting to you, stay tuned. But please don't forget, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this Glam kitchen tour started. And if you're new here and you're just watching, make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor. On here you get all things home decor related. Now I'm showing you my spring kitchen for late winter to early spring. And I used the color lavender, silver, and white. We're still undergoing some changes, but I hope this gives you some inspiration to get springtime ready. I'm going to let you enjoy the video and listen to the music, and I'll be back. If you're still watching and you're not a family member, make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor and also hit that subscribe button. I hope you have enjoyed my late winter to early spring kitchen tour. Make sure you come back later on and check out the Glam Squad home tour for late winter, early spring. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, and Glam Queen Unboxing.